Potatoes. Scrub them with the sponge nicely. Cut them into veggies. Fire up the oven. Chicken. Poke it with the fork so then we can spice it up. Spice up the potatoes with potato spice. Spice the chicken with the chicken spice. Into the dish. Spice it up some more. Rub the chicken from all sides. Meatballs in. Spice up the meatballs as well. Nice. Cut the onion. Prepare the onion. Peel it like into dishes. Into the oven. Hot oven. 45 minutes. 200 degrees. Let's see. Wow, beautiful. It's not overcooked at all. Look at this delicious crusty chicken now. Wow, let's see inside. It's not overcooked. Service into the plate. Steamy, delicious chicken with potato and meatballs. Look at that beautiful, tasty, steamy and delicious hot chicken. Add some tomato sauce on meatballs. Let's try the meatball. Look at that. Yummy. Now the chicken meat. Delicious. Potato good. Like, share and subscribe.